Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to unblock websites on school Chromebook. So you'll need to go over to your web browser and in the address bar you're going to type in apache.netrider.net as you have it on the screen. So it's apache.netrider.net. Click on it. You can click OK right here. And here you can search or enter a URL. So if YouTube, for example, is blocked, you can type in youtube.com. And here you can see it opens a new tab. And this makes it look like a web browser in the web browser. So you can see YouTube is loading and we can open a new tab, click on home, and then you have games, apps, tabs, and setting. You can click on games, and here you can see some games that might be blocked on your Chromebook. You can go ahead and play them as you wish. And now you've been able to unblock some websites on your school Chromebook. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.